let's talk about the JLab's Go Air Pop. These things are so awesome. First off, I've got the clear set. It's just ridiculous, makes me giddy giggle. Happy just looking at them. It is so cool that they are clear. Look at how small they are. Even the case, how amazing is that? You still get an 8-hour listening time and another 24 hours out of the case. How crazy is that out of this small form? Really cool. They are a basic set of earbuds. This is not bristling with technology, but not junk either. So you have the ability, it's got an EQ setting with 3 different EQ levels. You could adjust the tips to your liking, comes with 3 different sizes. It has touch controls, true Bluetooth. It is Bluetooth 5.1, I think. Don't quote me on it. It's basic Bluetooth, but the sound quality for what these things are is absolutely astounding. I've used them for about the last week, and I have to say, I do a lot of sports and activities and that kind of stuff, so I tend to be using the open ear ones for that. And when I get back to a real earbud, which is actually in your ear, the sound is so amazing. So amazing. I can't wait for the day that the over-the-ear ones sound like that. But for what this is, a crushing value. I would say either for yourself or for a gift for somebody else, you cannot go wrong with these. These are a great set of basic earbuds, and they're super cool looking in the clear. That's what I would recommend. Okay, I'm not going to end it just yet. I was going to end this conversation, but I almost forgot to tell you, my favorite JLab party trick is it's got the USB-A plug right built into the case, which I think just makes life so much easier. Oh, if you have any questions that I didn't answer here, put it down below in the comments. I'll try to answer them for you. I hope this has been helpful. We'll see you next time.